Alright guys, we have the last of the Traxxas two-wheel drive vehicles, the Bandit.
So we have the Slash, the Rustler, and the Stampede, and now we have the Bandit.
So let's open it up.
Here we go.
Okay.
So first off is the bag of stuff. We'll go over what's in that later. And then the body comes out. It's not body clipped on.
And the controller.
So we have a TQ controller.
And then the car itself. Wait a minute. It's just stuck on the back.
And it comes with some nice cardboard connected to the back with zip ties.
Yeah. In the pictures it looks so strong.
And here's the size comparison. The back wheels are all lined up. These three are mostly the same length, but the Slash is a little bit longer. And here's the comparison with no bodies. Let's get this body out of the bag. Look at that, nice and shiny. We got the blue one. Look at that, guys.
Pretty.
That's pretty nice. We got the brushed version. You can get a brushless and faster one. This one will go 35 miles an hour with these electronics. It's got the XL5 ESC and the Titan 12-turn 550 motor. And with the brushed one, you will get Phillip head screws with it. The brushless ones will come with Allen head screws. Since it's a buggy, it's got small front wheels up there. It's like very, very thin. And it also has some nice grippy back tires. These are actually the same tires that came with the Rustler's back tires. Yeah, so if you drive it like I did with the Rustler, these will get flat super fast, and you'll have to replace them.
So whenever you're driving, you're going to want the antenna in.
So you put it into this blue case, like antenna cover thing, and then you put it over here, and there's this right here, which you could pop that into, and then so you could see the antenna coming from the receiver and to this blue part.
And whenever the body is on, it would go through that hole. But with our other cars, I don't even know how many cars, we would put it underneath the body.
The Bandit is super similar to the Rustler, which has the same chassis. So since it's so much like the Rustler, I think this should be an awesome car. So with the controller, it comes with only one knob, which is the steering trim, and a button on top that could change all sorts of settings on this. And you'll need 4 AA batteries for it.
Now let's get into this bag. Boop.
So it comes with some foam, which you could put into the battery spot for if you have a LiPo battery and it's shorter and you need to fill in some space. And that'll go in just like that. And also it comes with a bag with a high-speed gearing. Will make it faster for high-speed runs, but it's not the best for off-road, so I wouldn't recommend having it on at all times. And you have a bag of tools with a cross wrench, other wrenches, Allen wrenches. Actually, I don't know why it comes with the Allen wrenches if the screws aren't even Allen. If they're Phillip. Yeah, there probably is some Allen wrenches, but
Yep, there's one.
yeah. And it comes with a bag with shock spacers. You could put that on the shocks to like make it higher.
We got stickers.
And there is a bag of screws, body clips. Normally it would come with a bunch of like body spacers. I don't know why it doesn't come. And then you just have a bunch of manual and charging battery options and a book so you can look at all the parts that are in the car. The one that we got doesn't come with the battery, but you can get some that come with the nickel metal battery. We're just going to use a 2-cell LiPo on it, and you can't use a 3-cell LiPo on it. A 3-cell LiPo would probably burn up the ESC. So let's turn it on.
There.
Boom. controller on. Boom.
Let's get this thing on the road.
Yeah. Here we go.
Yeah.
Look at that.
I'm driving a Traxxas Bandit. That's not full throttle quite yet.
Okay.
We get to full throttle.
Yeah, this thing should get up to 35 miles an hour. Sweet.
Full throttle right now.
Wow. Yep, faster than the Stampede and Slash with the same motor. Yeah, we're getting in the grass. Whoa. Just got his first jump. Look at that. Oh, it keeps flipping over. Oh yeah. Time for some ramps.
Woo!
Oh geez. Don't be scared to break it because it's not gonna break. These things come strong out of the box. Look at that go. That was awesome. So I expect this to be an awesome car, and we're going to do lots of awesome videos with this. Make sure you guys subscribe so you can see more videos on this and the other 2-wheel drive vehicles. Don't forget about them. We're going to have all 4, and we might do races and tracks. It's going to be awesome. Asher even let me do a few jumps, and I thought it was super smooth. It's really nice. We also have 2 other channels, Speedsterz and Speedsterz Shorts. On Shorts we do shorts, and on Speedsterz we do other videos that don't include RC. We do more videos with other friends. You guys can check out those channels in the description or in the... which corner is it?
That one.
That one. Yeah.
I suggest you get this car. I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you next time.